Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the full folder location of your emails and Outlook step by step. If you've ever struggled to figure out exactly where an email is stored or which folder it belongs to, this guide will help you understand how to navigate your folders more efficiently. Knowing the full folder location can make managing your emails much easier, especially when you're dealing with a large number of messages. Don't worry if you're new to Outlook. I'll walk you through everything in a simple and clear way. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure your details are correct, then click Next to continue. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Outlook dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your emails and folders are organized. Take a moment to look around if you're not familiar with it. You'll notice different sections like your inbox, sent items, and other folders. Now, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen. Here, you'll find the search bar. This is a powerful tool that helps you quickly locate emails and folders. Right next to it, usually on the left side, you'll see your folder list. This is where all your folders are displayed. You can scroll through them and click on any folder to view its contents. If you're trying to find the exact location of an email, start by selecting a folder and exploring its structure. Folders are often organized in a hierarchy, meaning you may have main folders and subfolders inside them. Now, let's move on to the next step. If you're looking for a specific email, use the search bar. Type in a keyword, subject, or sender name. Outlook will then display results that match your search. This makes it much easier to find emails, especially if you have a large inbox. Once you find the email, you can identify which folder it belongs to by checking where it appears in your folder list. This helps you understand its full location within your Outlook structure. Now here's a helpful tip. Look to the right side of the search bar. You'll find a filter icon or 3 horizontal lines. Clicking on this will give you additional options to refine your search. You can filter by date, sender, attachments, and more. This helps you narrow down results and find exactly what you're looking for faster. Using these tools together, the folder list and the search function, gives you full control over your email organization. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Try to keep your folders well organized so it's easier to track email locations, and make use of the search filters whenever you're dealing with a large number of messages. These small habits can save you a lot of time in the long run. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find the full folder location of your emails in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else. Now, let's quickly summarize what we did. First, we went to the Outlook website and signed in. Then we explored the dashboard and located the folder list. Next, we used the search bar to find specific emails. After that, we checked the folder structure to identify the email's location. Finally, we used filters to refine our search and improve accuracy. And that's everything you need to get started.